All right, so here I'm going to go ahead and show you number 6 just a little bit more in detail because that one is a little bit tricky. So you should have the answer already, but let's just go ahead and kind of do this right here. So right here in this box, we're going to go ahead and do the number line. I'm going to do it a little bit below just so we can see it a little bit better. So we have our number line. Okay, hopefully yours is straighter than mine. And notice that the numbers we have are 1 and 5. So that means that I'm going to go ahead and make sure I include those numbers on my number. So let's say I have 1 here and 5 is somewhere over here. Okay. I know that according to this, I have an open circle on this one because there's no line underneath the inequality symbol. So there's my open circle right there. And this one is a closed circle because it does have the line. Okay, so I'm going to put a closed circle on that one. Now I have to look at where I'm going to be shading. So the first one says that x, so this one right here says x is less than 1. That means that all of my x values are going to be less than 1, which means it has to be on the left side. So it's going to be everything over here. Okay. The other one says x is greater than or equal to 5, so that means that it's everything that's bigger than 5 or equal to 5. So that's going to be everything over here and including the 5 that I already have there. Okay. Now, because there's two different pieces of the number line, that means that the interval, so right here, our interval notation is actually going to be 2 pieces. So the first piece, so this is our first piece, is going from everything to the negative side. So remember that on the left side, we have a negative infinity. So it's going from negative infinity, okay, all the way to 1. So comma 1. And since 1 is an open circle, that's going to be a parentheses. Infinity can't be reached, so that's also a parentheses. Okay. Our second piece, let's use this color. Our second piece is over here, and it starts with a 5. So I have 5. Okay. And it goes all the way to forever, which is infinity. So that one goes to infinity. Okay. Now the 5 is a closed circle, so that one is going to be a bracket. And the infinity symbol is, of course, a parentheses. Now, since we have 2 of them, we have to unite them with something. We can't just say it's this one and then stay quiet and it's this one. So the equivalent of that something, of this or, okay, is something that looks like this. It's kind of like a U looking thing. So we could put a U between these two intervals, and that would be our interval for this domain. That's it.